for me as a scientist, rewilding is not the most scientific term in the world. Like there has been plenty of debate within the ecological community about rewilding as a term. Is it even novel? Is it just not restoration ecology, which has always been going on? Like what role does it play in conservation in general? So for me, I don't really care about what you call it in this sense. Rewilding, if it's too emotive, then probably just use something else. It doesn't really matter. It's actually more that we change people's attitudes and we change our actions. Because, you know, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. If you look in general, conservation has failed in a way. Like we have lost so much stuff and eroded the natural world and our own experience of it and our own understanding of it has been kind of eroded away. If you look at any of these reports, like the WWF Living Planet report or the State of Nature in Europe from the European Commission, it's generally not good news. And the only thing or the best thing about rewilding is that has kind of thrown a stone into this stagnant pond of water. And this ripple effect has really changed things a lot. It's really come about in itself as a tool of changing people's attitudes. And it does use emotion. It really latches onto that because, you know, when you talk to people about nature and you talk to people about how much we all love nature, like this is like a fundamental human thing. No one says, I hate nature. No one says that. But so when you talk to people about nature and you talk about how much you love it, and do you want more experience like this, or do you think it deserves this place? Like everyone says yes.